Hi guys, it's your girl FOXYLIA here coming to you with another video. If you don't already, use my links here to go to my social medias, like, share, and subscribe. So if you haven't seen my video or from red to blind, you should really go ahead and watch that. I'll link that in the description bar below. I am going to cut my hair again today. I just washed my hair. I did put some Olaplex conditioner in there. This is the shampoo that I use, the John Frieda for blonde hair. It really does work, guys, because I swear there's tinges of yellow in my hair, and once I use this, they're pretty much gone. This is a leave-in conditioner that I got from my Ipsy bag. It works really, really well. My hair is pretty stiff. I don't know if you can tell that, but once I put this in my hair, it is like silk. So I normally do this right after I wash, and I make sure that it's still damp a little bit. I put it throughout my hair. When I dye my hair, my cuticle tends to swell, so that's why my hair might appear more thick than it is in real life until my hair pretty much calms down. So because I bleached my hair about 3 times in 2 days, it's kind of, still thick. So I use this handy dandy wet brush that I got, I think from like Marshalls or Target. No, TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And it helps really well. It's something that helps detangle my hair. And with the product that I just used, it definitely helps do that. And it's really not a lot of tugging and pulling. So it's funny because I was looking at pictures of my hair, and under this light, which is an artificial light, in my bathroom, and then pictures of my hair in the natural light, and it is a total huge difference. I know you can probably see the yellow tinge in my hair, which I definitely tend to have, but I'll let you see at the end, guys. In the natural light, it's really, really ashy, and it has like some highlights in it from other dye jobs that I've done before in the past. So you'll get to see that at the end. So all I'm doing now, I'm just finishing putting that leave-in conditioner in and just combing everything out. I am going to part it the way that I want. I'm kind of sick of the middle part, so I decided to go with the side part. And I just need a change, guys, and that's why I'm like, cutting my hair and coloring it and things of that nature. So I've always colored my hair, but I'm just doing it more and more, I feel like, because I'm getting bored with my hair. And I'm really not a wig type of person, so I'm just making sure my part is straight. Gotta do that before we cut and style. And you'll see here as time goes on, my hair grows really, really fast anyway. Like, honestly, I had started seeing, I don't know if you could see, but I had started seeing some root come up there. And I don't even think it's been a week yet. So, yeah, my hair grows really, really fast. So I'm going to start the blow dryer up and go ahead and get to it. And I'll see you guys when it is done blow drying. Alright, so I'm all blow dried. It's all done there. And I'm going to start to part my hair in order to cut it. I know you guys probably noticed, but my videos have gotten a lot shorter, and that's because when I watch videos, I tend to fast forward through the parts that I just want to see. So I don't want to give you guys long, drawn out videos and you're not really, enjoying or, learning anything, or, it's just too long. So, comment for me if you like the shorter videos. If not, I can start to make them longer again. I just want to make sure I'm accommodating everybody in their interests. So, from my last video, I also cut my hair. So I had a bob, have a bob, and it has grown out quite a bit. So I'm looking to have still a bob, but just a little bit shorter. So I'm parting off my hair in order to straighten my hair. I don't want to cut it while it's like in this state because it won't be correct. So I'm gonna go get my handy dandy flat irons and start flat ironing my hair so we can get to the cutting process. Okay, guys, so let's talk about flat ironing. So, as you can see, I really don't do really small sections when I flat iron. I do like medium. I typically do not flat iron my hair. I've actually gone months and months without doing so because I used to wear my hair curly for a really long time. So, this is probably the most I flat iron my hair in, I don't even know, years or, well, months or years. I can't really even remember. I only really do it for special occasions or like if it's really cold outside and I just really want my hair flat. So I'm just going ahead, I'm combing everything out. I'm trying to see how I want to do this. I feel like my hair is like super long in the front, but my technique is to make a part from the crown to the top of my ear, and I'm going to separate because I really don't want to cut a lot of my front pieces. I want to do it like just enough. So I'm just going to section that off right up under my chin there so it won't get in the way when I cut it. The problem was my hair was still like hanging on my back. And I was like, oh, this is so hot. I couldn't stand it. So I just wanted shorter. My daughter thinks I'm crazy. She's like, why are you cutting your hair? And I'm just like, because I don't want any. But, you know, maybe it's an age thing. All right, so I'm doing the same method that I did before where I put a ponytail. It really, really works as long as the ponytail is set right, and it doesn't need to be high up. It needs to be right at the bottom so that when you pull the scrunchie or ponytail holder, you're pulling your hair downward, therefore making the strands straight. So I'm just making sure everything is straight, and you can see here the back. And I'm going to show you guys again. And I did notice in this video I had started to sweat because of the flat irons, and I have the bathroom closed, so I started seeing my hair curl up in the back. Alright, so I'm about to start cutting, and I'm just trying to make sure I'm cutting in the correct way that it will be straight. So I decided which way I want to cut it, so I'm doing that now. And it's a lot. I thought it was a lot of hair last time. It's still a lot of hair this time, as you can see. Ooh, you guys do not know how good it felt when I took this ponytail holder out and like my hair was like not resting on my back. Oh, I feel so relieved. You see how it goes up? Yeah, that's what I wanted. I do not want any hair on my back, guys. Alright, so now I'm just starting to trim everything up. Because I do see some stragglers there. Just making sure this is what I want. And of course, my daughter is a licensed cosmetologist. She will be fixing my hair probably. But see, yeah, my hair had already started to curl up, guys. So yeah, she'll probably fix my hair later. But for now, I'm just trying to make the basic or foundational cuts so that she could see what I was trying to do. Unfortunately, I have to go back through the flat irons in the front of my hair because the way I started to section it off. Alright, and then in these clips, you'll just see me go ahead and, you know, correct some of the little imperfections that I can actually do. I really can't see the back of my head. I really want one of those mirrors that you can see, and I'm thinking about getting one of those. But yeah, I'm just making those little cuts. I do want one side to be longer than the other, kinda. But I do see where, you know, it wasn't, you know, coinciding with the other part that I cut. So I'm just making sure that I'm cutting it so everything can blend in. Sorry guys, that's my phone going off. I think I do pretty good on this side. It's the other side I always have freaking trouble with. It's always my right side. Why is that? But yeah, I'm really, really liking blonde right now. Of course, I know for sure I'm going to have to go a tad bit lighter because in the next couple months, I do want like a pastel pink. I do want maybe an emerald green or a blue in my hair. So I know for sure I'm definitely going to have to go a little blonder. But for now, this is good. I have been working on my hair just to make sure it gets back to a healthier state, and definitely, you know, me cutting my hair, all those dead ends, because I did have a lot of dead ends, honestly. I just, you know, kept rolling with it, and then I would cut it little by little. But instead, I just decided to cut everything off. So my hair is pretty healthy. There are sections where, of course, because of bleach or because just long term, like not cutting my hair, I see some, you know, split ends and things of that nature, but not too bad, not too bad. I do probably want to stack in the back and which my daughter will probably do a little later as well. I do want to go shorter, and like I said before, I do want to do like a pixie, end all be all, and then whatever point I'm tired of that, that's when I'm gonna probably end up growing my hair back. So I'm just looking at it now, seeing, you know, where I want to put a curl or two or how I want to style it. Yeah, she's definitely gonna have to fix that right side, because I swear I'm so not good at the right side. But for what it is, I really, really like it. Alright, so I'm just going in, putting a little bump in it. I am going to do some other videos because I've been researching blonde products. Like I said, I really do like the John Frieda. I probably like the John Frieda more than I do the Shimmer and Lights. I don't know, it's something about the Shimmer and Lights. It doesn't get my hair quite as ashy as I like. But there are some really, really good blonde products out there, guys, that I really want to buy. Also, I really want to try to invest in one of those wireless curlers, and I see them all the time on Instagram. I got a few on my cart on Amazon. I want to see how that does or how that really works. Yeah, it wasn't curling. And you know, that could be also because of over processing and things of that nature. But like I said, my hair is like really, really thick right now, thicker than usual. But for the most part, I really, really like it this way, like I said. And I'm thinking about probably the next thing I'll do is the left side probably needs to be a little bit shorter, like like an asymmetrical type of bob. Yeah, I'm just making little cut by little cut just to see how I like it. Like my flat irons too, guys, are super duper old. Like they don't even have the writing on them anymore. Like I have to like literally press so hard on the power button for it to come on. So I'm thinking about investing in some more flat irons as well, but I will let you guys know. Stay tuned to that. When it comes to flat irons, I don't go with the hype. I know Babyliss is the shit, but you know. And this is my coconut oil I put in. I got it from TJ Maxx. I only put a itty bitty little amount, and that's just for the flyaways, as you can see at the top of my head. Even when I don't bleach my hair, I have super duper bad flyaways. So this is just to combat my little flyaways, and then just to get some moisture on the ends. And usually oil weighs my hair down, but like I said, because my hair follicles are swollen pretty much, or they've opened up, my hair is a little thicker in appearance. Alright guys, so this concludes my video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, share and follow as well. And I'm going to give you a picture here at the end of how my hair looks in the natural light. Thanks for watching.